Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Appreciate y'all watching. I saw a couple new subscribers out there. I do appreciate that. That's a YouTube thing and absolutely necessary to go forward. So anyway, thank you very much. Today we're going to make a drink called the LEILANI Volcano. It's from Trader Vic 1972. This is the original version from him. So let's get started. Calls for 4 light Puerto Rican rum. This comes in at 20%. Fairly low ABV. Plenty of alcohol. And 2 pineapple juice. And 1 papaya juice. And so what I've done, I've cut a fresh papaya, mixed it with about 1 ounce of rum, and pulsed it. This is about 1/2 of a papaya. So I've got kind of a nectar here. The recipe calls for juice, so pretty close. Not exactly juice. And 1 of these. A lot of the recipes out there today call for guava, which might work just fine. 1 teaspoon of castor sugar. This is very fine sugar. Dissolves readily. And 1 lime juice. Fresh. Okay, and I'm going to dry shake that. Plenty of aeration, as you can see. Dry shaking aerates it, doesn't bruise it up like ice would do. And I'm just going to pour that in a volcano mug. All right, and the first for my bar, I got some 151 in there. I'll try to light it. It is flaming. You can't see it. I can feel it. And straw. And then some lime wheels. Decoration. Yeah, it's hard to see that stuff, but I can feel it. And there we have it. This is the LEILANI Volcano Bowl. Hope you all enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time if I don't burn the bar down.